ठीक है, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So I think I'm audible to everyone. Okay, Samir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's start. Okay, so I welcome you all in this session of discussion on engineering mathematics today. Okay, आज lecture था of the lecture 3 of admission guidance series, but due to my health is not well, so जितना 100% देना चाहता हूँ मैं देऊ शकलो नसतो. त्यामुळे माझ्या टीमने ते सांगितलं की you can postpone the lecture. Okay, everything was ready, but due to my health is not that much supportive, so we just postponed that session. Okay, within 2-3 days we'll just take that session. Okay, so there is no gap in the admission guidance series. Okay, there are many students who are requesting regarding the mathematics. That's why I'm just taking this lecture of 20 to 30 minutes, not more than that. Okay, so we'll discuss each and every point regarding mathematics 3. Those who are interested, they can join. Okay, there is no effect on admission guidance series. It's a totally different. This thing is a totally different. Both are two separate things. Okay, sure. So let's start. Now, regarding the engineering mathematics 3, see, mathematics is the basic, or we can say the core part of engineering. Every engineer should know the basic maths. The basic word itself, it's too advanced. Okay, as per the university point of view, or as per the engineering point of view, maths is required. They says that maths is a basic part of the engineering. But if you go through the syllabus now, maths is too depth. It's too depth. And whatever the engineering, you can choose any computer, IT, electronics, electricity, civil, mechanical, electrical, automobile, anything. Maths is a basic point. So from the first year of engineering, maths 1, maths 2, second year, maths 3, maths 4, and the third year onwards, there is no actual maths, but there are some subjects which are connected with the maths. If you go through the electronics and EHCC syllabus, now they have RSA, random signal analysis. Now, the name itself not connected with the maths, but if you go through the syllabus, there is a maths. So there may be some subjects which are connected with the maths. They are not directly maths, but they are connected with the maths. But till the second year, you will have a maths. Now you will directly go to the second year, so you will have maths 3 and maths 4. Maths 1, maths 2 आपको नहीं है, but maths 3 and maths 4 है. So maths is a basic part of engineering. वो सबको आना ही चाहिए. Without maths, no one can become engineer. No one. And it's a basic requirement. Okay, that is the first one. Now you don't have a maths 1 and maths 2. That is a loophole. That is a disadvantage for you. कि आपको maths 1, maths 2 नहीं था. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो study करना चाहिए. Not required. Study the mathematics only from the exam point of view. So whatever the requirement for the exam, उतना ही करो. ज़्यादा deep में जाओ. It may find too much difficult for you, because for the diploma students only semester 1 and semester 2 में maths था, वो भी basic. इतना basic था कि 11th के students can easily solve. 11th के students solve example में वो सब solve करते हैं. जितना आपने same 1 same 2 में किया diploma के. So whatever maths you studied, it's very easy. It's very easy. Whatever the maths studied by the 12th student, it's too advanced than what you study. So that's why diploma students may face, I will say 100% face problematic condition in the mathematics. So kitna bhi topper hai, only mathematics is a problem for the diploma students. बाकी कुछ भी problem नहीं. Each and every subject you know, in whatever branch you are going, आपको सब subject पता है, basic knowledge उसका पता है, other than maths. ठीक है? If you go through the mathematics syllabus ना, you will have a differentiation, integration, and Laplace. ये तीनों का combination. And some part of the probability and matrices are all things, vector algebra and thoda sa और. I will tell you the depth syllabus. Okay, so let's see one by one. The students of computer and information technology, those who go for the computer engineering or information technology, for them there are 5 modules. Okay, for each engineering there are 5 modules for the mathematics. The first module is a Laplace theorem. The second module is inverse Laplace theorem. Third one is a Fourier series. Fourth one is a complex variables. Fifth one is a statistical techniques. And sixth one is probability. So the 6 modules. Okay, these are the 6 modules for the computer and IT. For both of them, syllabus is a fixed. Okay. Then regarding the electrical, electronics, EHTC and instrumentation. For 4 of them, syllabus is the same. Okay, and don't worry, I will upload this PPT once we done. Laplace theorem, inverse Laplace, Fourier, and complex. That is, first 4 modules are same for computer IT and for this 4 brackets. 5th and 6th is a different. 5th is a linear algebra, that is a matrix theory, and the 6th one is a vector differentiation and integral. These are the syllabus of mathematics 3 for these brackets. Okay. Next one, for the mechanical and civil, those who want to pursue their engineering, mechanical, civil, for the Laplace, inverse Laplace, Fourier series, complex variables, matrices, and the numerical methods for the theory. Again, 4 topics are same. Last 2 topics are different. Okay. Then automobile, Laplace, inverse Laplace, Fourier, complex, partial differentiation equations. The last one is a correlation and curve fit. Okay. Last 2 modules are connected with a branch. But first 4 modules are same for each and every one. Only last 2 modules are different according to branches. But first 4 modules are similar for each and every one. Okay. So these are the syllabus. Maths is a basic requirement that everyone knows. If you want to pursue a master's also, no, in a GATE there is a compulsory subject known as a maths, and that maths consists syllabus of maths 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in that time you need to study maths once again. If you want to pursue your masters, then GATE is a compulsory. तो वहाँ पे आपको फिर से स्टडी करना होगा, उन्हें तुम्हारे स्टडी करना होगा. ठीक है, स्टडी एग्जाम क्वार्टर से होना चाहिए, बट कंसेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए. इतना डेप्थ में नहीं जाना. We need to study each and every subject from the study point of view and your future point of view. PhD point of view study नाही करायचं. ठीक आहे, एक्झाम चांगल्या पद्धतीने क्रॅक झाली पाहिजे आणि बेसिक कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर होऊन फ्युचर साठी फायदा झाला. या दोनच गोष्टी आपण लक्षात ठेवायचं. कोणत्याही गोष्टीमध्ये PhD करायची नाही. What do you mean by engineering? To find a solution by any way. First find a solution and then think about the way. पहिले सोल्युशन शोधायचं, नंतर वे कोणती चांगली ते डिसाइड करायचं. That is a meaning of engineering. ठीक है, तो कोणताही सब्जेक्ट स्टडी करताना फर्स्ट फोकस ऑन एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. माझं एक्झाम पॉइंट ऑफ स्टडी या वेने होईल ना, देन थिंक अबाउट द कन्सेप्ट. तुम्ही फक्त कन्सेप्टला चिपकून असला तर तुमचा टाइम निघून जाईल. इट्स अ सेमिस्टर पॅटर्न. 6 मंथ नसतात, 4 मंथ असतात. ओके, 4 मंथ मध्ये यू नीड टू कंप्लीट मोर दॅन 6 सब्जेक्ट्स, असाइनमेंट, प्रॅक्टिकल, वायवाज, एग्जाम्स, टू यूनिट टेस्ट एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस. ओके, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि कंसेप्ट नहीं समझना, कंसेप्ट समझना चाहिए, बट एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से स्टडी करना चाहिए. मैथ्स इज अ डिफिकल्टी पॉइंट, बाकी सब्जेक्ट आपको आता है, बट मैथ्स इज अ डिफिकल्ट पॉइंट. ठीक है, एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस मैथ्स, रिगार्डिंग द सब्जेक्ट, और जो डिटेल्स है दैट आई विल इन्फॉर्म यू रिगार्डिंग द सब्जेक्ट. और किसी का है कि अदर देन दिस इंजीनियरिंग, जो कुछ इंजीनियरिंग मैंने मेंशन किया, अदर देन अजून कोणी आहे की याच्यापेक्षा मी दुसरे इंजीनियरिंग बघतो, अजून कोणी असं आहे? यू कैन मैसेज इन द चैट बॉक्स. असं कोणी आहे अजून उसका कोई भी दूसरा ही इंजीनियरिंग? आई थिंक एवरी इंजीनियरिंग इज क्लियर. Just wait up. One second. Okay. Sure. The next point is regarding the lecture series of maths. Okay, I'm agree with the conducting lectures on the maths. Okay, so these are the some key points that you need to understand. First, if I conduct the lectures of maths, it will be totally online. It will totally be online because due to the pandemic condition, we will not get any permission of offline. So total lectures will be online only. I will decide the mode कि कौन से channel पे लेना है, on which application will लेना है, but the mode of lectures will be online only. Next, number of lectures per week is at least 2, and it will be alternative because once I teach you anything, na, I'll give a major homework that you need to do at home. तो होमवर्क करना चाहिए. फक्त मी शिकवतोय तुम्ही ऐकतात आणि काहीच करत नाही, it will not work. So whatever I teach today, day after, उसके बाद एक दिन break होगा for the homework, and then we'll go for the next lecture. So at least 3 lectures per week, at least 3, and it will be on alternate basis. Okay. Standard textbook which you need to refer whether you want to join whether you want to join that lecture series or not. If you want to go through that subject by yourself as a self-study, then you can refer this book Kumbhochkar. Go to any market. In a Thane, there is a Jagdish book depot. Just go to that book depot and just tell him Kumbhochkar of Mathematics 3 and just mention your branch. Computer engineering का Kumbhochkar चाहिए, Maths 3 का, IT का चाहिए, EXT से चाहिए, instrumentation चाहिए. Just mention your engineering course Kumbhochkar and Maths 3 and just buy that book. Okay, and just go through whatever the syllabus I mentioned. वो सब मॉडल उसमें आना चाहिए, because the syllabus is revised, change हुआ, थोड़ा सा चेंज हुआ, ज्यादा नहीं हुआ, बट जो कुछ भी मॉडल वहाँ पे मेंशन किया वो सब वहाँ पे आना चाहिए. तो पुराना बुक देगा बाद में रिफंड नहीं हुआ. ठीक है, तो रेफर दिस बुक Kumbhochkar, whether you want to join or not, but refer this book. Okay, recording session will be available for enrollers. Those who join this lecture, they will get a recorded session. Okay, if anyone is missed or किसी को फिर से सुनना है, then recording session will be available. Okay, notes of classwork and homework problems will be available for all. So whatever the classwork problem and homework problem we will discuss, उसका total solution I will give in a PDF format to everyone, whether those who join for the lecture series or not. It will be open for everyone. तो किसी को देखना है कि ये सब मुझे नहीं हुआ तो कैसे solve करना है step by step. So I will give that notes to everyone. It will be open for everyone. ठीक है? So this is a course fee, that is a 1500 for the BPM students. So those who comes under the BPM, for them it's a 1500 till the completion of series. Means I will complete each and every point of view. Sections which are very important from the exam point of view, and complete the whole syllabus from first module to sixth module according to the branch wise. Because last two modules are different according to your branch. So I will complete whole first to sixth module. Okay, and for first to sixth module, till the completion of the whole series, the total cost is 150. Okay, for the non-BPM students, it's a 2000. Okay, so this is a totally open forum. Okay, and किसी के साथ कुछ भी contact नहीं करना regarding this. Link of interested students. This is a link of the Google form. Those who are interested, they can fill this form. And once I know this much students are interested, then only we can start the further process. कब lecture start होगा, कौन से account पे this ये transaction करना है, all that things. So those who are interested, they can go to this link and they can fill this Google form. Okay, it's just a basic detail. What is the name? What is the mobile number? Mobile number should be attached with the WhatsApp. There is one more. 1500 per month. No, it's for the whole 6 module, for the whole subject. It's not a monthly till the completion of syllabus. Okay, once you enroll for this subject now by 1500, it's not a monthly, it's a course wise for the whole subject. चलो, I'm audible? Devas?
Yes, sir.
Due to some electricity problem, मेरा लैपटॉप बंद हो गया. So मैं do one thing. मैंने तो तुझे WhatsApp पे send किया PPT. Just start that sharing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Laptop पे हूँ.
Just start that sharing. Just wait for 2 minutes. So Samyak will start the share. In the meantime, I'll go to the chat box. VPM is name of our college. VPM students mean those who comes under the VPM's Polytechnic. Same. जो VPM's Polytechnic के अंदर है, for them 1500, and those who not come under the VPM Polytechnic, for them 2000. Again 2-3 कुछ डाउट थे. 1 second, can you enter in chat box क्या था, क्योंकि मेरा लैपटॉप अभी बंद हो गया. Any doubt और कुछ डाउट है? You can put your doubts in the chat box. Will you revise the basics first? No, in the previous slide, I just discussed what are the chapters for each and every courses. Means if you go to the computer engineering, what are the modules for the Maths 3? If you go for the EXTC, what are the modules in the Maths 3? Okay, once you're done with the lectures, now I'll upload that PPT once again. Okay, so you can go through that modules. I'll just discuss the modules. Okay, इतना कुछ भी important उसमें नहीं था. Just wait for some minute. This is starting share. This is a main slide. Previous slide में जो कुछ बात that was just की Maths 3 में if you go for the computer engineering कौन-कौन से modules उतने ही. So these are the basic important thing. The total lectures will be conducted online at least 3 days per week, and it will be alternate day. So you will do the homework. Okay. Then you can refer the standard book, that is a Kumbhochkar. Okay. And the recorded session for each class will be available online for the enrollers, not for everyone, for the enrollers will be. And the notes of classwork and homework problems will be distributed to everyone, whether you enroll or not. Okay, that will be from my side. And the course fee for the VPM students means those who comes under the VPM's Polytechnic. Okay, unko 1500, and other than VPM for them 2000. This is a fee for whole subject, not monthly, not weekly, not chapter wise. It's a subject course fee. Monthly nahi, weekly nahi, and topic wise nahi. It's a one-time payment. Uske baad kuch bhi nahi karna. Okay, so 1500, 2000, and this is a link for those who want to interested in this course. And there is a no connection between the admission guidance series and Maths 3. Many students requested me, so that's why I'm doing it. तो मेरा सिर्फ मेरे डिपार्टमेंट के स्टूडेंट्स से उनके लिए था पहले. Okay, there are many students those who requested me कि सर आप ले लो ऐसे. So that's why I'm just arranging this lecture series. Okay, admission guidance series is totally different. That will be totally free on YouTube. So कुछ भी नहीं. If you have any query regarding the admission, you can contact with me anytime. Right now, I'm not in a college due to my health condition, but from Wednesday onwards, I will join college once again. Book name is like Applied Mathematics Sri G.V. Kumbhochkar. Answer is yes. It's a G.V. Kumbhochkar, right? Okay, you can purchase it on online, or you can refer any book depot near to you. Just mention your course, EXTC, Electronics, Computer, IT, Instrumentation, Electrical, Civil, Mechanical, whatever it is. Maths 3 Kumbhochkar paijye. They know Kumbhochkar. Okay, how much time it will take to complete Mathematics 3 course? See, when I was a student now, okay, everyone knows about that RK. RK. Okay, I was a student of RK. जे आता तुम्हाला कॉन्टॅक्ट करता ना 4-5 दिवसापासून की आमच्याकडे क्लास जॉईन करा, that RK Academy. When I was in Vidyalankar was a famous classes. आता पण चालतो पण थोडासा डाऊन झाला मार्क. That time RK was our faculty. So Vidyalankar मध्ये शिकवायचे RK. And RK is one of the best faculty. आता पण आणि तेव्हा पण. This was too hard working आणि खूप बॉटम पासून त्यांनी स्टार्ट केलं. तो ड्युरिंग दॅट ही कधीची गोष्ट मला सांगतोय, डिसेंबर 2013 ची गोष्ट सांगतो. Okay, December 2013. There was a whole schedule कि he need to complete Mathematics 3 within a 6 day. Within a 6 day and 5 hours each. So 6 days multiply by 5, it means 30 hours. That within a 30 hours, you need to complete the syllabus as per the Vidyalankar point of view. But he is too much dedicated. He take 2-3 extra lectures to complete the syllabus without taking any single money for that lectures. So he's too hardworking. Okay. So if you ask me, it's very difficult for me to complete the syllabus within 50 hours also, because I don't want to complete syllabus on paper only. कुछ समझ में आना चाहिए. Okay, so right now I can't give the exact date कि कितने दिन में होने वाला, but we can consider कि before your admission gets started, it will be get completed. Before your admissions get started, it will be get completed. और जब तक आपको कॉलेज मिलेगा कि फर्स्ट मुझे कौन सा ऑनलाइन में मिला, उसके पहले सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. That I means you can take 1 month, 1.5 month में हो जाएगा. Because I am taking this thing too slowly. Because I know there are too many doubts you have regarding the differentiation, integration, Laplace, then matrices, probability. कुछ आपको थोड़ा बाउंसर जाने वाला initially. So I am taking too much thing from the bottom. कि बेसिक से स्टार्ट करते, फाउंडेशन से स्टार्ट करते. ठीक है, और कुछ डाउट है? Chat box is open, so you can text in a chat box. And there is no compulsion regarding the admission guidance series you are attending to. This is a compulsion. There is no compulsion. Again, I am saying two different things. That admission guidance series and this is. It's a totally those who are interested for them, not for the others. जिनको नहीं लेना है, it's okay for me. ठीक है, अर्जुन और कुछ है चैट बॉक्स में? नहीं, बस एवढंच. But do the hard work, because diploma is a different and degree is a different. Both are connected to each other directly, but diploma का nature different and degree का nature different. ठीक है, means diploma is very easy. If you go through the MSBT question papers na, from last 5 years, you can easily score maximum marks. But degree is a totally different. It's too difficult. अगर आपने कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं किया है, it's too difficult. ठीक है, the degree course is too difficult अगर आपने पढ़ाई नहीं किया. ठीक है, लोगों की KT के ऊपर KT लग जाती है. So it's too difficult. And MSBT जितना एक्टिव है, इतना एक्टिव मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं. They are active, but there are too many students. They can't take every decision from the student point of view. जितना MSBT एक्टिव है, जितना केयरिंग है फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, उतना यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं. ठीक है, अजून काय आलंय चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये लेट्स. Sir, we need to get a standard textbook, or is it fine if we do not get it? See, नहीं लिया तो भी चलेगा, लिया तो भी चलेगा. So I think ले लो. It will just take 350 or 400 for that book. So I think you can purchase it. Okay? थोड़ा सा एक टाइम से बर्गर आणि पिझ्झा नाही खाल्ला तरी चालेल, पण just take that book. You will get multiple sums. Okay? कि you know तुम्हाला थांबायला लागत नाही. You don't need to wait for me. कि I will start the topic and then you will learn. Not necessary. Okay, you can just buy that book and you can go through that topic at any time. ठीक है, और कुछ है? Anyone? Light on your question. No one? We'll wait for 2 minutes, else we'll stop it. So if you have any doubt, I'll upload this PPT once we're done with the lecture. अजून कोणा काय डाऊट नाही? व्हेरी गुड. टोटल स्टुडंट्स जॉइन इज जस्ट 28, इन्क्लुडिंग माय टीम मेंबर्स. याच्यापेक्षा जास्त लोकांनी इथे कॉन्टॅक्ट केला होता रिगार्डिंग द सेशन. जिन्होंने कॉन्टैक्ट किया हुआ है उसमें से 2-3 लोग तो है नहीं. आई वोंट टेक द नेम. ठीक है, कुछ डाउट नहीं है? चलो, let's stop here. I will upload this PPT on that group. Okay, and link also I will share with you. Those who want to interested, they can fill that form. Okay, within a 2-3 day, we'll form a separate group for this session and we'll discuss the further details. Okay, sure, let's stop here. Just wait, there is a one more thing in the chat box. So BA and BTech मध्ये काय difference असतो? तेच. There is a no call difference between the BA and BTech. It's a catchy name. Okay, it's a Bachelor of Technology and Bachelor of Engineering. जास्त काही difference नहीं है. It's a same. Means if you pursue BTech in computer engineering or B in computer engineering, both are same. There will be no any different in a syllabus. Okay, many autonomous colleges provide the BTech, and many colleges under the university provide the B. कुछ difference नहीं है. It's a catchy name. Okay. Yes, sir, same. Both are same. Okay, both are same. BE. I'll take one lecture regarding the colleges and autonomous and all the things. In that lecture, we'll discuss the BE. I'll show you both the syllabus of BTech computer and BE computer, or BTech electronic, BE electronic. Then you can differ. ये क्या इसमें changes है? Okay, कुछ भी नहीं. Nothing will change. थोड़ा syllabus आगे पीछे होता है, बाकी नहीं. Electrical engineering based colleges, Mumbai and Navi list. Regarding the colleges list, we'll conducting one lectures. Once we done the admission process series, na, just now we completed the first step-by-step process का first part हुआ है ना. We'll complete second part and third part. Then immediately first lecture will be top colleges in Mumbai, according to the branch wise. Okay. Regarding the electrical, there are 3 colleges in Mumbai, like VJTI, SPC, and Father Agri for the electrical. जो है top, बाकी okay, बाकी सब colleges okay. You can go for Indira Gandhi and AC Patil. They're okay. And you say okay. But VJTI, SPC, and Father Agri. These are the 3 colleges for the electrical. बाकी सब okay. Or you can go for the other than Mumbai. और कुछ नहीं. Sure. Now regarding the admission guidance series, we will discuss later, or you can just text me personally. Okay. Sure. Let's stop here. Just I'll share the details with you. Okay. Sure. Okay. Sure. Chalo bye.